Alright, welcome back. Cheap Pete's Garage. Today we're going to do a cold start on the 1985 Chevy Crusty, Rusty plow Suburban. It's been since Christmas Eve since it was been started, and today's the 21st of January. So it was almost a month cold start. Oh, we're going to see what happens here. I did one of these cold starts, on the 24th, after it had been sitting for a month or so, and it was snowing. You see in daylight a little bit better what kind of crusty pile she really is. But she moves a lot of snow, though. Doesn't have to be fancy. Doesn't have to take and look great or any means at all. It just has to function. And that it does. So let's get into it and we'll see what happens. Alright, taking pumper a few times. Crank on her, see what happens. Well, that was a pretty easy one. Will she run by herself, or will she just take the stall out? Ooh, I don't know. Get the old choke to open up a little bit so she ain't choking itself. Maybe. Yeah, she's just running a piece of pipe hanging down there. That's all she's got for exhaust. Straight pipe. It'll be loud. Sounds like it needs some power steering fluid. Well, I'm going to let her take and warm up a little bit and plow some snow. Alright, well folks, if you like content like this, will it runs, cold starts, just general messing around of old junk, like, subscribe, share, comment. So anyway, thanks for watching. Till next one. Bye.